What are all these extra tools in Noteful? Let me show you what these extra tools are and how to get rid of them because you're probably not going to use them. And now we're going to group these next few tools into one video because these are tools that you probably are never going to use, and because of that, I'm going to also show you how to remove them. So here we have our auto record tool, and this is where if you wanted to record audio, you tap on this and it's going to record what is going on in the background or what you're saying. This is really good for like if you're taking notes in a classroom, or you just wanted to record some kind of audio, you could do that right there. For digital planning, you're probably really not ever going to use this, so I keep it turned off. I'm going to show you how to turn them off at the end. We also have your photos tool, so this is like where it makes your camera pop up. Probably not something that you're going to use very often, but that is where if you want to take a picture, you can do that. And this is your presentation tool. This is where you can, if like, let's say you're casting your screen onto like a projector or you're doing a presentation, this is where you have this laser tool to where you can show like, hey, look where I'm pointing. But these three tools are not tools that I ever use, and you probably won't ever use them either for digital planning. So here's how you're going to turn them off. So you're going to click these three dots and you're going to go to Customize Toolbar. And then any tools that you don't want turned off, you're just going to turn them off right here. So I turn these three off, and then once I'm done, now you can see they're not going to be up here anymore. So that are the most common tools that you won't really use, these like extra tools, and how to turn them off.